Good morning, everybody. Today it is Thursday, February 4th. Today we will be doing N2Y. On N2Y, we have a little bit of reading to do, which is what the normal story we've been reading, and you will have it's a main idea chart and details that go along with the main idea chart. So we will have that, which we have right here. You will complete the reading, complete the main ideas chart. You have the vocabulary to review, and we should be on 369. We should be on the 9th vocabulary word. If they are not saving when you guys get on, like what you guys did yesterday, it should be carrying over into the next day. Like everything you did should show up the next day. Like you should already have 1 through 6 words done. If you do not go back and do them. Like if you're at home, my virtual learners, do not go back and do them. I tell my ones here at school, I'm like, you already did it. And we review them on the cards every day, but just filling them in on that chart is not something you need to do every single day if they're not saving. I did even get on with N2Y yesterday, the company, and they are trying to figure out what's going on because I'm like, my kids are doing all this work and it's getting erased. So I'm not sure why that's happening. So I'm just letting you know now, you don't have to go back and do it, but just make sure you're doing the next 3 new words. So you have the vocabulary to complete. We have 9 days left until Valentine's Day. And so here's your word study standard connection, your reading, your comprehension. Now for writing, I will add that on here. For writing, we have change of address. Now, I'm familiar with this because I have moved a lot. So I always go on to USPS, and on here it's just one easy step. So on your writing for today, it will look like this. It's called "Where Should I Change My Address?" And I always, like I said, I do it online. Everything's done online these days. So on this next slide here is your change of address form. So I would fill all this out as normal, your normal address or your old address and then your new address. So let's just make something up for our old address or make something up for your new address. That would be perfectly fine for that. So we have, so online here, I will show you what normally it does. So for your contact information, it shows here, when should we start forwarding mail to your new address? Well, it depends when you're going to be in your new location or your new house or apartment. But this is important, and this would be something you may need to do when you move out of mom and dad's house or you move from college to a new house. So just knowing how to understand that this is something you need to do when you change addresses. And mail does not get forwarded automatically by itself. Like where I live now, I still get mail from the person who lived before there. I just put it right back in the mailbox. I have even went to the post office and have said, hey, I keep getting their mail. Like, is there any way you guys can forward it? They're like, nope, we do not do that. They have to do that themselves. They're like, you should see like how much mail we get that just doesn't go to anybody because nobody's filled out their change of address forms. So on N2Y, fill out the change of address form. Like I said, use your normal address for one, and you can just make up another one. Say you want to live in California. Do whatever you want for your change of address. That's just knowing that you will have to do that, like I said, when you move into a new location. Okay, for math, it is all money today. Money skills across the board. So all these are adding like terms, adding and subtracting, different money scenarios. So you will complete that for math. Math is all money and counting skills. Now your life skills application is tax, okay? Yesterday I noticed that some of ours looked different. Like some of us had a chart and some of us had it looking like this. So it's kind of hard for me to kind of explain this, but it's like everybody's doing the same thing. It's just a different format. So like for our first one here, it says all items listed have a sales tax of 10%. So 10%. Okay, so 10% sales tax would be something times 1.0. So a percent is always the percent. So I'm going to put $6 times 0.10. Okay, so it says tax is 1 dime for each dollar. So we have $6 here. So we're going to need 6 dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we know that that is 60 cents. Okay. So we'll know then we will need $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see how it's adding it up right here in this box for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then we need 60 cents. So 1, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, so that is how you complete that. And let's check it on our board with the calculator. Okay, so I plugged it into a calculator and this is what I got. So I did $6 times the 10%. And when I hit equal, I know that it is 0.60. So I know then that I need to add. So this was 60. So now I just need to add that dollar. So $6 plus the 60% sales tax, which is $6.60. So there's our answer. You can go ahead and complete the rest of those boxes. So make sure you're dragging the money and the dimes according to what the sales tax, which is 10% for each of the dollars. There's okay. So then I have my science students. You will have the star formation to complete on CK12. It's been a long week here, guys. So I just really hope that everyone at home has had a good week. I'm definitely ready for the weekend. It's been a long week, like I said. So I hope everyone has a great day and completes all their boxes. If you need anything, let me know. My focus is to get those lessons. We did a life skills lesson yesterday in our transition binder. I just haven't been able to upload it on YouTube yet. So once I get those uploaded, I will share that with you. I'm really going to try focusing on that tomorrow when I have my time to do what I need to get done. So maybe I'll post those tomorrow or on Monday where you can complete those. So yeah, I hope everyone has a great day and I will talk to you. If you need me, let me know. And if not, I will see everybody tomorrow and keep an eye out on Dojo. Bye.